So how you can make $500 to $1,000 per day with Google Ads and affiliate marketing using ClickBank or MaxWeb. So those are the affiliate networks that you can join for free, of course, to promote different high quality products. Now, what is my strategy? As you can see here in my video, right? It's basically 3 steps. The first step is having the Google ad account set up, right? So this is ad network. And then you have your funnel, which is basically a pre-sale page, landing page. And again, it has to be high quality, professionally built website if you want to avoid all the ad accounts being shut down on Facebook ads or Google ads. Now, why lots of people who are buying from those so-called ClickBank millionaires, vendors, right? Different courses on affiliate marketing, and why they're failing and losing money is simply because it's not your fault if you bought these courses, but the fault is of the owners. They did not tell you this is outdated. Yeah, it maybe worked 10 years ago, it worked 3 years ago on Facebook or Google, but now in 2023 and going further to 2025 doesn't work anymore. You have to change the ways. So what is the most important thing is having a compliant website, pre-sale page, right? And I'm going to show you in the next slides what actually am I doing to stay compliant, and then of course having the high quality ClickBank or MaxWeb product, which can be a weight loss supplement, keto product, diabetes offer, or brain health offer, right? So those offers are in the health and wellness weight loss space, right? So this is 3-step plan. Now, the next thing is the funnel, right? Remember this, right? Most of newbies closely listen to this message. Most of newbies, they don't understand they need to have the right message to market match. You see here, right? Look at my hands now as you're watching this video. Here is your message, right? This is your ad, right? This is the market. Those are the people, audiences you're targeting. If your message is here, but your market is here, see, it's mismatch. It's mismatch. No matter how much money you put into ads, if it's a mismatch, it won't work. So what you have to do is you have to make a message to market match. Once they match, then yeah, my friend, you make money. But the most important thing here, as you can see over here, right, we have different awareness levels of the audiences. So what do I mean by that? For example, if you were to tell me about the iPhone, right, there are audiences who already are previous buyers of iPhone, right? So they like iPhone brand, they already bought it, they have experience. And there are people who like Samsung, right? So there are different audiences. So they're not aware of what the iPhone is. They don't even know what is it about. So if you're promoting your ad and talking about iPhone features and benefits to the Samsung buyers, the hell you're doing, right? You're losing money. You're putting the wrong message to the wrong audiences. So you have to, first of all, before we run ads, I always tell my clients, let's do this. Let's determine who is your audience, right? If, for example, weight loss or diabetes, if they have a diabetes, they already know they are sick. They already know they need to lower their blood sugar, right? In order to have a healthy, balanced lifestyle, right? So they have to lower their blood sugar. Now, of course, they don't want to go to gym and run treadmill every single day. Why? Because that's a hard work. So they want a lazy way out. So what is a lazy way out? It's to buy a simple $60 to $100 supplement on ClickBank or MaxWeb, right? That should be high quality product. Again, I'm talking about high quality. I'm not talking about scammy affiliate products. I'm talking about the real high quality product. Why? Because as you're going to see later, if the product is high quality, it means that the person going to buy the upsells. What is upsell? It means if I buy 2 supplements today for $100 on ClickBank, and if I like it, if it works for me next month or next week, I'm going to buy more vitamins, more supplements from the same company because it's not a scam. It worked for me, right? So the same thing here. You should promote high quality products, and you should do it because not only for the customer good, also because you're good, you can make more money on the upsells, right? From the same passive income or recurring commissions. So this is our sales funnel, right? Marketing funnel. At the bottom is dollars, right? You need to have the right message to market match, and I'm going to show exactly how to do this. Now the next thing is the truth about best-selling offers, right? Everyone on ClickBank wants to go and promote the best-selling offers, right? But nowadays, if you bought any course from this rich millionaire gurus on ClickBank, what I tell you is go on ClickBank and choose #1 top-selling offer. But actually what they don't tell you is the big lie, the big fat lie, which is you are going to compete against thousands of other people just like you, promoting the same ClickBank supplement on Google or Facebook. So you see, you just created competition for yourself. Right? So you have to understand, it's not about the best selling offer, it's about proven offer with a good upsell take rate, right? So you can make more money on the back end, and also positioning yourself differently from the rest of what the masses of people, of newbies, are doing on ClickBank or MaxWeb, right? You pick a different offer with different method, right? With different message. And of course, do you agree, right? You can position yourself differently, and positioning of your offer, it's very, very, very important thing, right? So lots of people, they rely heavily on volume, right? They don't care about you or your success, lots of these gurus. Why? Because they have an army of affiliates just like you, doing email marketing, for example, right? So remember, you have to position yourself differently, and you need to have someone who is going to guide you through one-on-one, step-by-step, and help you to achieve the results you want, right? Now what you can do next, if you're watching this video, right, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, you can like this video, and below this video are going to be links to my social media accounts, Facebook, WhatsApp, email, and even Instagram. Yeah, you can follow me on Instagram, you can subscribe to my channel, you can DM me there if you're serious, right? Remember about the budget, you should have at least minimum $1,000 to begin with. Perfectly $5,000 or more US, I'm talking, right? If you're really serious, in between that, $1,000 to $5,000 is really sweet spot if you want to get good results. Because remember, look, ask yourself, if you were to, let's say, have someone like me or anyone else help you one-on-one, set up the business where you can earn $3,000 per month, or $10,000 or $8,000 per month, would that be worth $5,000 upfront payment or $3,000 upfront payment? That you have someone guiding you along the way on the Zoom calls, helping you step by step along the way, and showing you exactly how to do it and what to do, right? Because once you're dialed in, yeah, then you know how to do it. And look, it doesn't take a magic, it doesn't take a genius to get 1 or 3 sales per day. With 1 or 3 sales per day of supplements, you're doing around $10,000 per month, 9,000 preferably, right? $9,000 per month with 3 sales a day or 2 sales a day, right? Depend on what the product price is. So look, what you can do now is subscribe to me, to my channel on YouTube. You can click the link below this video because you can connect with me personally, and then we can get started and do something together. So again, thank you for watching this video, and see you on the other side.